Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be starting off with this Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, and I like to use this just to set my brows before I actually do them, just because it won't mix in with the color. Like as I'm dipping it in trying to set it, it won't mix, and they will already be in place, and I literally just have to line my brows and then fill in what I think is necessary. So for this pencil, I do use a black and brown pencil. I never use black because it's too harsh. So what I do is I just line my brows where they naturally are. I don't make them any longer, any thicker. However they line up, that's where I will do the outline at. And I don't always fill in, it just depends. But if I do, it'll just be only a couple strokes. So nothing to make like a powder effect, because I still want them to look like they're my eyebrows and not so obvious that I drew them on or anything like that. So I will do that to both eyes. And the other eye I have a little bit of a hard time doing sometimes, just because when I was little I cut off some of my eyebrow, and when they grew back kind of funny, but that's okay because your eyebrows should not be identical. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill these in, and as you'll be able to see in the end, it's not nothing that's over dramatic. So yeah. So once I'm done filling them in, I will take my Tarte concealer and I'm just going to reshape my brows. And if I made my line too thick, I'll just go over it with that, just to give it a clean look. And I will do this to the top of my brows, just because I need my eyebrows done, and I want them to be really crispy, just so that I can get the shape that I want. Normally after I get my eyebrows done, I don't need to do the top one, but for the sake of the video, I will do them. And then once I'm done shaping them, I just blend it all in. And normally I will use my foundation. Like once I do my full face, I will use my foundation and go over my eyelid and everything like that, and go over the top part. But I'm not doing a full face today, so I won't get that on camera. So that's just to take away the lightness. I'm not too fond of my eyebrows being like extremely lighter than my foundation. It's not extremely lighter, it's just a shade lighter, but I don't really like that look. I like to go over it with my foundation brush. So you guys should try that out and let me know how you like it. And that's pretty much all that I do to my brows.
Get at me for beats, y'all.